Prasad V. Potluri Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh has received an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 from students on Shiksha.com. How is BTech here? Let's find out, starting with placements rated 4. According to NIRF 2025, of the 717 graduating students from 4-year UG programs in 2023 and 24, 631 were placed and 79 pursued higher studies, reflecting an increase in placement rates from 2021 and 22. Top recruiters including Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro and Deloitte offered roles such as Package App Development Associate, Graduate Engineer Trainee, Software Developer and Junior Engineer. According to student reviews, the highest package was 44 LPA, while the median stood at 4.5 LPA, showing consistency compared to the previous year and an overall increase since 2022. In comparison, the median package at neighbouring Pragati Engineering College is noticeably higher. Moving on to the 4.1 rated BTech program, it offers 8 specializations including CSE, IT, ECE and EEE. Eligibility requires 45% in class 12th with PCM and selection is based on a valid MSET or ESET score. The total tuition fee for 4 years is 4.2 lakhs and the hostel and mess charges for the same duration are approximately 2.5 lakhs. Now about infrastructure rated 3.9. The 20-acre campus includes 2 auditoriums, a central library with e-resources and spacious classrooms. Wi-Fi is available but is often reported as inconsistent. The well-maintained girls' hostel is on campus while boys stay in nearby PGs due to renovations. Students report average canteen and mess food and they can enjoy both indoor and outdoor sports and games such as table tennis, chess and football. Medical facilities are also available. Next, about academics rated 4.2. The institution collaborates with organizations like Texas Instruments, Infosys, AWS Academy and National Instruments to support lab setup, skill training, internships and more. On campus life rated 4.1. Students participate in events like the Sitar Tech Fest, Codastra Hackathon, Google GDG programs and the ICRA MIE Research Conference. The Cultural Club also encourages involvement in arts, drama, music, yoga and academics for holistic development. Lastly, Prasad V. Potluri Siddhartha Institute of Technology is ranked between 201 to 300 in NIRF 2024 engineering category. Download the Shiksha app for more details.